Hello everyone, today we're looking at the Burpee Organic Seed Starting Mix. Not a sponsored video, just taking a look at this product, reviewing it to let you know what it's like. And like every Friday, we'll be giving away one bag of this to someone. So more details about that coming up soon. Okay, so you kind of want to mix in some water with this to make it a little bit moister. Mine's probably drier than it would be out of the bag normally for people because mine has been open for a little bit. But you're going to want to just pour in some water. I've got a lot here, more than I need. And yeah, I'm doing it in a seed starting tray. You can use just whatever bowl or whatever you have available too. All right, you get that nice and well mixed. You want it to feel kind of like a wet sponge. Maybe a little water rings out of it, but you don't need it to be super like liquid. And then you're ready to put it into your seed starting tray. Here I've got these biodegradable ones. I'm just going to put the seed starting mix into them. But if you have a plastic one or you have one of those silicone ones, there are a lot of options. Doesn't really matter which. The seed starting process is about the same. Now I also will sometimes put this seed starting mix on top of other soil, like in a red cup, and then just start that way. You already have the soil underneath it, but often using seed starting in the more formal way. And you'll just fill these all up. Great. You want to kind of tamp them down a little bit, make sure there's not a big gap that will just fall down. Just cover that up to fill in where those gaps were. Okay, and now you basically have it. You just go ahead and put your seed in here. For your bigger seeds, you want to go down about the size of the seed down into the soil. For smaller seeds, tomatoes, peppers, or even smaller like that, brassica seeds, just basically put them on the surface. Maybe push the soil a little bit onto them, but you don't have to do much. Now for this particular seed starting mix, the Burpee one, it does say that it already comes with Burpee plant food included inside of it. So you don't have to necessarily worry as your seedlings are getting bigger about finding nutrients that you can add to them. So that's an advantage of this. Basic coconut coir also works, but this already comes with all that, so it's a bit of a more no hassle approach. There's a lot of seed starting mixes out there. Feel free to use any of them. I will link to this one in the description below if you'd like to get it from Amazon, but others are good options too. And I did a video on the Jiffy seed starting mix, which I think has probably got the most market share at this point. When I first got this seed starting mix, I will admit that it was full of gnats. It had quite a lot of gnats in it. So do watch out for that. If you are worried about gnats or maybe having gnat larvae that's gonna hatch later, it is okay to cook your soil. Just put it into a pan, throw it in your oven. You don't have to do hot, maybe upper hundreds, 200 degrees. That's about it, and it'll kill off anything that might be in it. And for the purposes you need here, the seed starting mix is still going to work perfectly fine. So essentially what you're doing is you're creating an environment in which the seed will stay moist so it can easily germinate. In addition to this, you're going to want to keep it warm, depending on the type of seed. For your tomatoes and peppers, you're going to want it in the upper 70s. Some of the other stuff you can be lower in the 60s, but honestly, upper 70s works for most things. So if you have an environment in your house that's like that, or you use a seed heat mat, that'll work too. But yeah, I will note that this variety did definitely have the gnats. So if that bothers you, maybe look for something else. But you can always use your own coconut coir too. That's an option too. But anyhow, I will send this to one of you who comments on the video below. make sure you check our video next week in 7 days. And then you have 7 days to send me an email if you are the one selected, or I'll pick someone else at that point. All right, let's see who gets the Fairy Morse biodegradable greenhouse kit. We'll pick a random YouTube comment from that. Jeff, I think you just won another one. It says seed trays are always a good thing. Of course, I already have an email for you. Anyone else, if you want to reach out to me for any reason, feel free to email gardening@bestgardenchannel.com. But I'll go ahead and get that to you, Jeff, since you were the winner of an earlier giveaway. Everyone else, please do remember to stop by here in 7 days if you want a chance at the seed starting mix that we're giving away. Do comment below and let me know what you're excited to grow with your seed starting mix. And 7 days from now, we'll put up the winner and I will send it to whoever wins that. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time. Now back to the normal video. You know, if you do subscribe to the channel, it would be very helpful to us. We really appreciate it. And if this video did help you, like it, share it with friends. Do click on links in the description if you're thinking of purchasing things. It helps us out a lot. So we really do appreciate you being here. Comment for the free seed starting mix opportunity. And I look forward to growing with you.